This is indeed the truest case of all is well that ends well. And another interesting facet of this happening is the fact that is there really someone who is already visited by the proverbial stork? This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosa.
And this is the Sunday episode of The Hitty Show. Tara yan na talakayan ng Showbiz Edition. Dun muna tayo sa All Is Well That Ends Well. Mare, totoo nga bang nagkaayos na at nagkabati-bati sina Mami Divine, si Daddy Delphine, at si Sarah Geronimo Giticelli? Saan nangyari ang kaganapang ito?
Well, it seems.
Okay.
Kasi, there was a video which showed si Delphine, tatay ni, ni
Si Mang
Sarah,
Delphine.
si Mang Delphine. Parang they were singing together.
Mhm.
At sabi pa ni Sarah, in the reels na this is a dream come true.
Dream come true kasi?
Kasi parang for the longest time that parang they were strange to each other, di ba?
Yes, yes.
So to be in a production,
Mhm.
parang production
Basta
they were singing
basta to be
together
in a song together with her dad is parang
dream come true.
dream come true for
Sabi
her.
niya, oo.
Okay.
Kasi for the longest time parang hindi naman niya nakakasama talagang father niya, di ba? So there was even a bigger picture of her happiness. A clip showing her na she was embraced by her Mommy Divine.
Okay.
Parang Mommy Divine was there, pero syempre, she doesn't sing, so nasa behind the scene lang
Behind
siya.
the scene lang siya.
So there was a reel showing them na nagyayakapan.
So, magandang pangyayari naman talaga yun,
Oo.
di ba?
Tapos,
Nagkaayos yung mag-ama at mag-ina si Sarah.
of course, syempre, hindi na pinakita, pero there was, siguro Mateo was there. Di ba?
Ay, isa pang curious, saan galing yung chika na baka buntis si Sarah?
Kasi, nagkaroon ng birthday celebration si Sarah, di ba? In a hotel ba yun? Isang function room na malaking-malaki sa isang hotel. So, with the Guticellis. So, lumabas na sila, tapos naglalakad sila pababa ng hagdan. Ang shot, long shot. So, sa taas, bumababa siya. Parang people notice na parang lumaki yung tiyan ni Sarah. Tapos the dress that she was wearing that time, parang loose. So, they speculated na,
She might be.
buntis. Pero some netizens are saying, hindi niya ba nakikita? Logic lang. Galing sa restaurant, galing sa sa kainan. So, talagang magiging bloated siya.
Grabe naman yung pagka-bloated. Mukhang buntis. Ganun ba kalakas lumabang si Sarah? And slender ni sis?
Malay mo, na parami kasi nga, ang dami.
Buffet?
Hindi. Tawag dito, maraming food, di ba? It's her birthday celebration. So, there was, lavish na handa, di ba?
So nung gabing yun, very PG siya.
Hindi akong sabi.
Very PG siya, kaya lumaki ng gano'n ang kanyang tiyan. Mas malalalig pa ako doon sa speculation na she might be pregnant. Dahil lumaki agad ang tiyan mo ng isang dinner lang. Ganun kalaki agad. Mukhang 3 months
Well, it could
preggy.
be. Charot.
It could be. Well, sa akin, whether she is infanticipating, fabulous. Kung hindi at busog lang, fabulous pa rin. Because ang pagdating naman talaga ng baby, talagang it's a blessing for God. At nangyayari yan sa tamang panahon, sa tamang pagkakataon. Diba? At akong tuwang-tuwa ako, maayos na sila ni Mami Divine.
At saka, what made people speculate na she is in an interesting stage is that, kasi, si Mateo Guticelli parang posted na, this is the best year ever. So, nag 1+1 sila.
Yes.
Nagkabate. Si Sarah at yung mami and dad niya. Tapos biglang may buntis rumor. So parang nag 1+1. So this is the best year ever.
If this is indeed the best year for the Guticellis, fabulous.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Dahil yung emotional drama natapos na.
Mm-mm.
At kung totoong it is the best year because a baby Gritticelli is coming soon, which we will know naman in the nearest future kung meron talaga.
Yeah.
Just let us allow things to move according to its natural course. Huwag nating pangunahan. Huwag nating i-jinx. Dahil matagal-tagal na rin naman naghihintay yung mag-asawa na magka-baby, di ba? 2-3 years na silang kasal. Am I
Yeah.
correct?
That I'm not sure about.
So, parang alam ko, siguro this is really the right time. They want to have a child.
Oo, pero yung iba naman speculated na hindi buntis kasi parang nag-show pa si nabigay na bigay eh.
Pwede ka naman mag-show ng bigay na bigay. If I remember it right, nung kabuntisan ni Regine sa anak niya, nag-show pa siya ng bonggang-bongga.
Yeah, she was dancing.
Diba?
Regine is not dancing.
If for example,
dancing
if she
eh.
is dancing, okay naman ang dancing for people who are pregnant. Because that moving for people who are pregnant, importante sa kanila if she is pregnant. Or if she is not pregnant, then walang problema. Even if she is pregnant, hindi rin problema yun because knowing the Gritticelli, tiyak may approval yun ng kanilang
Doctor.
Doctor, ng kanilang OB-GYN. Para pwede po bang magsasayaw pa ang aking esposa?
At saka yung rumor na buntis siya was a welcome news to the fans, to the popsters. Oo, kasi they were hoping and praying it for the longest time.
Yes. I'm sure hindi na sila nagpe-pray, pati yung mag-asawa. Diba? Pati yung mga, both the Hieronymus and the Gritticellis. Because that's going to be their first apo.
Yeah.
Diba? For Sarah and
Mateo.
and Mateo. And that's a welcome addition. Diba? So, huwag na lang po nating i-jinx. Pagdasal na natin talaga nakabuo na, nakotoo na ito, at ilang panahon pa may bata ng uuha.
Ay,
Diba?
Diyos ko.
Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo ang nagpalambot sa puso ni Mommy Divine? Kaya ngayon ang tamang panahon na nagkabati na sila.
If I am to believe that she's pregnant, that's the reason.
Tumpak na tumpak yan.
Di ba? Kasi syempre, dun naglubay yung damdamin ni Mommy Divine. Kung totoong buntis siya, ha? Oh my God, this will be my
Apo.
first apo. So parang she softened, 'di ba?
Saka rin, I think in the years that Tara and Mateo have been together, I'm sure Mommy Divine has observed and monitored how much Mateo loves loves Sarah. Diba? Sarah is really treated like a princess by the Gritticellis. Diba? At ang laki-laki ng improvement ni Sarah in terms of being sophisticated, in terms of traveling, in terms of learning new things that she didn't know before. Diba? So, ang laki-laking bagay ng pagiging Gritticelli ni Hieronimo.
Yeah. At saka maraming natuwa ng mga fans because parang sabi nila, oh, finally,
Yes.
si Mommy Divine,
Oo.
'di ba? Gave her consent. Parang gano'n, parang napaniwala na siya na Mateo Gutierrez is the perfect choice for her daughter.
Oo. Kita-kita mo naman talaga kung gaano ang pag-aasikaso, ang pagkalinga, ang pagmamahal na pinapakita ni Mateo at also ni Sarah sa kanyang husband. They really love each other. Kitang-kita mo naman yun.
But it was a very long time. Di ba? Talagang 5 years ba yan?
Well, ang mga nanay naman talaga, may karapatan naman silang magtampo. Gusto silang magtampo ng pangmatagalan, di ba? I think Mommy Divine belongs to that generation of drama queens eh. Di ba? Gusto niya talagang, pwede mo naman tanggapin agad eh. Lalo na of age na si Sarah nung kinasal. Looking back, di ba?
Yeah.
Di ba? She's of age. Natulungan na ang kanyang mga kapatid. Marami na siyang naipundar para sa kanyang pamilya. Hindi naman siya naging pabaya sa kanyang mga obligasyon at responsibilidad. So, at that age, she was like in her late 20s, tama? Parang, at that age, Sarah deserves her own kind of happiness. Diba? So, siyempre sa una, parang nawindang si Mommy Divine, lalo na diba? Dapat nagsho-show lang, bilang kinakasal na pala.
Ikaw, naniniwala ka na mothers should have a say doon sa mga papangasawa?
Ako, if yung mapapangasawa ko ay below voting age at walang trabaho at walang kahit na anong ganansya sa buhay, parents should have a say. But if you are already at that age, yung kasing ripe ni Sarah at ni Mateo, and both are in good careers, dapat wala lang say ang parents.
Oo, parang, so you were saying na since both are already of age, na may narating naman sila, may na-achieve naman sila, parang you are baffled kung bakit kinokontra pa ni Mami Divine.
Oo. Saka kasi sa akin, ang point ko doon is, hindi naman masamang tao si Mateo. At lalong ginawa naman ni Sarah ang lahat para sa pamilya niya. Diba? Parang, dapat lang na dumating sa panahon na kahit sinong na magulang, na dapat pakawalan nila ang kanilang mga anak. Lalo na sa aspekto ng pagkakaroon ng asawa at pagpapakasal. Diba? At dahil dyan, alam ko, one of these days, ikakasal rin naman si aking kumaring Ultra. At sigurado ko, walang aapila sa kanyang mga sisters, diba? Ito po si Alwin Ignacio na inaanyayan kayong panoorin ng Kitty Show tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon sa aming Diario Torada YouTube channel at syempre pa sa aming Facebook pagina. Sa muli, ito po si Alwin Ignacio, ang diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay, sa panonood, at sa pag-subscribe sa The TT Show, ang Tarayan na Talakayan Showbiz Edition.